Look, we got a new haircut. So fresh, so clean. You're not really looking like a model right now. Give us your best model pose. That's not a model pose.
I know, it's so tired.
George just got his haircut before me. I'm pretty sure if we compare the person that needs the haircut more, I think it's me. But he has his haircut and he is ready. And we've had a busy morning buying everything. George brought a watch and a tie, so he's ready for graduation. On his 1 day off, we've been pretty busy. Well, no, 2 days off.
Yeah, but Sunday, obviously you can buy anything if you want to.
And now we're matching, all white, everything. And we're about to go to the beach and see some people. Look at the sea threat, that's insane. It's like creeping over that's so creepy, it looks like dry ice or something. Still a beautiful day, in my opinion. Okay, so we're going down to like there. Ignore the disgusting nails. Did you enjoy the cupcakes yesterday, George?
Yeah.
How many cupcakes did you have, George?
5.
Out of how many, George?
15.
How many did Sarah have, George?
I don't know.
1. Cheeky monkey. Are you excited for graduation?
Yeah, I am actually. After getting all the stuff like a proper suit and a tie and a watch, I am, definitely.
Cool. Walking to the beach.
Yeah. You have now reached the end of today's video. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much.